Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about a very important problem of 4 marks which you get in your CBSE board exam of class 12th. This is a very popular problem which comes of 4 marks which consists 4 parts of 1 marks each. This problem is based on network topology. Before going into the details of the problem, first we discuss some of the important points. These important points are required to write the justification for your answer. Let's start. The first question is about making the cable layout connection between the block of a local area network. So, if we want to make a cable layout connection between the blocks of a local area network which is provided in the question, then you can make two topologies, that is star topology and bus topology. In star topology, all the nodes are directly connected to the server with a central connecting device known as hub switch. Basically, star topology is preferred in a local area network of a short distance because all the nodes are directly connected with the server, so it requires more wire. But the advantage of star topology is that failure of one node does not cause failure of whole network. That's why we prefer star topology in a small local area network. Another is bus topology. You can make the bus topology also. In bus topology, all the nodes are connected through a single wire. Hence, its installation is easy and it requires less wire. So the installation cost is low. But remember that while making the star topology, all the nodes are connected directly with the server, and while making the bus topology, you have to connect all the nodes by using a single wire, and you have to remember that you have to follow the shortest path. That is, you have to calculate the minimum distance to cover all the nodes of a local area network. Next is placement of server. Server should be placed in the block where maximum number of computers are present, because according to 80-20 rule, server should be installed in that block where maximum traffic of the network should be present. Next is placement of devices like modem, hub, switch and other network devices. Modem should be placed in the block where server is present because modem is installed on the server, hence it can be accessed by all the nodes of the network. So remember that modem should be placed in that block where server is present. Placement of hub and switch. Hub and switch should be placed in all those blocks where multiple computers are present, because hub or switch is a central connecting device to connect multiple computers with the server. Placement of repeater. Repeater is amplifier which is used to amplify the signal. Repeater should be placed in between the blocks where distance is more. We can say the distance could be more than 100 meters. So the placement of repeater is dependent on the distance. Where you found the distance more than 100 meters, you should place the repeater in between that blocks. Repeaters are used to amplify the signal so that signal can be transmitted to a large distance without being data loss. Next is placement of the device bridge. Bridge is used to connect multiple subnets having same architecture and protocol to make a large network. Or we can say that bridge is used to divide a large network into multiple subnets having same architecture and protocol. Next is router. Router is a network device which is used to connect multiple subnets having different architecture and protocol to make a large network. Or we can say that repeater is a network device which is used to divide a large network into multiple subnets having different architecture and protocol. So these are some of the device which is asked in the question to place at the proper place. Next is communication medium. Communication medium is used to transmit the data from one node to another node. Optical fiber is fastest guided medium which carries the data in the form of light. So optical fiber generally we use to connect multiple computers in a wide area network. It provides maximum data transfer rate and high speed. The fastest unguided medium to connect multiple computers throughout the world is satellite. Through satellite, we use microwave or radio wave to transmit the signal throughout the world. Signal can be penetrate any building and it can be transmit to any part of the world without being hampered by man-made obstacles. They are independent of other natural, other natural mediums such as water, sea, mountains, etc. Where cable layout is not feasible, in that situation we use satellite communication to transmit the signal. Other unguided medium to transmit the signals are microwave, radio waves, leased line. These are some of the other unguided medium. So with the help of these justification, you can do the question of network topology, which we will discuss in second part, how we can make the cable layout connection and other thing. One important question is also asked in the examination regarding providing the internet facility in a local area network. The economic way to provide internet facility in a local area network is using internet broadband connection using Wi-Fi or using internet broadband connection using WiMAX. WiMAX is having the coverage area more than the Wi-Fi. So you can write either of that to provide internet facility in a local area network. Thank you.